École Internationale Beryl. Bienvenue. Good morning and welcome, my good pupils of Beryl International School. Welcome to another interesting lesson. Okay, last week we talked about how we can make simple sentences. This is for my pupils in KG. And we looked at how we're going to make simple sentences and using the object we've learnt already. So today again we are still on faire une phrase simple. So you remember that was our last topic, but it's a little different today. So you say the topic again after me. Faire une phrase simple. I'll take that again. Faire une phrase simple. Okay. So you remember we looked at objects like une table, un stylo, une crayon, and so on. And we use them to make short sentences like c'est un stylo, c'est un crayon, c'est une table, and so on. Okay, today on the board we are having few vocabulary on the board. We are going to know the meaning of all these, number 1 to 4. We are going to know the meaning of this, and then we are going to use them to make the short sentences. The short sentences or the simple sentences. Okay, the first one here we have, number 1 is c'est un or c'est une. C'est un or c'est une, and that means it is a. So once you say une table, you say c'est une table. That means it is a table. Okay, don't worry about that. We're going to look at that again. The next one is number 2 is esco. Esco means is this. Is this. So we're going to use esco today also to make simple sentences. So esco means is this. So it's used to ask a question. So number 3 is we. Number 3 is we, and we here means yes. We here means yes. And the last one, number 4, is no. No means no. No means no. Okay, right now you're going to say that and you say it after me. Okay? I'm going to say number 1 down to number 4, and you listen to the way I'm pronouncing them and pronounce them after me. So number 1 there is c'est un. C'est un. Say it after me. C'est un. Very good. Or if you have a feminine object, you say c'est une. If it is a table, you say c'est une. C'est une table. If it is a pen, you say c'est un. C'est un stylo. Okay. Now we have number 2, which is esco. Esco. Say that after me. Esco. Esco. Esco means is this. Is this. So number 3 is we. We. Say we. We simply means yes. And the last one, number 4, is no. No means no. Okay, so we're going to make these short sentences with what we have learned. Number 1 is c'est une règle. That's a question. C'est une règle. So if it is really a ruler, like I'm holding a ruler now, and I'm asking you, c'est une règle, and you see that it's a ruler, you simply say, oui, c'est une règle. Oui, c'est une règle. And number 2 here is asking, c'est un stylo. C'est un stylo. I'm asking now, c'est un stylo. And since it is not a pen, you say, non, c'est Ceton crayon, that means you will now have a pencil. That means the person is asking using a pencil, or is a pencil that the person was holding. Okay, so if it is not a pen, you say no, ceton stylo. Or if it is not what the person is showing you, you say no, you say se, and mention the object that the person is pointing at or holding. Okay, number 3 we have esco. Esco. Like now I'm holding a ruler and I'm asking, esco c'est une règle? Esco c'est une règle? Since it is a ruler you are seeing, what will you say? Is it oui or no? Is it yes or no? You say oui. So the answer will be oui, c'est une règle. So I'm asking you now, you're going to answer. Esco c'est une règle? Remember, esco means is this? That means is this a ruler? Esco c'est une règle? Before you answer, I would like you to ask that question after me. Esco c'est une règle? So we answer, since it's a ruler, we say oui, c'est une règle. We say the answer again. Oui, c'est une règle. Okay, let's look at the next one. Esco c'est un stylo? Esco c'est un stylo? Esco, that's the number 4. Esco c'est un stylo? Since it is not un stylo, you say non, c'est un crayon. Non, c'est un crayon. Okay, now we are going to say this after me. We start from number 1. C'est une règle. I'm expecting you to say that after me. C'est une règle, and that means is this a ruler? It is a ruler. Now what you are going to do for me is you look at what I'm pointing. I'm having a ruler here, which is règle. I have crayon, which is pencil, and I have un stylo here, which is a pen. So you are going to respond accordingly, looking at the object I'm holding. Okay, number 1. C'est une règle. Look at this. C'est une règle. And what's the meaning of c'est une règle? Is it a ruler? So you look at this. If this is a ruler, what will be your answer? Oui, c'est une règle. Oui, c'est une règle. Very good. The next one, number 2. C'est un stylo. C'est un stylo. Now look at what I'm pointing at you. Look at what I'm pointing, what I'm holding. C'est un stylo. This is not un stylo, it's not a pen, right? You say no. No, c'est un crayon, because this is un crayon. C'est un crayon. Okay, back to number 3. We have esco, and the meaning of esco means is this, is this. So look at this. Esco c'est une règle. Esco c'est une règle. If this is a ruler, really, you say oui, c'est une règle. Oui, c'est une règle. Let's look at another one. If it is not what I'm holding, let me see what you be your answer. Let me hear your answer. Number 4. Esco c'est un stylo? Is this a pen? Esco c'est un stylo? So since this is not a pen, you say no, c'est un crayon. This is un crayon, a pencil. So no, c'est un crayon. Okay, very good. Alright, so having learned all this, my pupils, I have an activity for you. Alright, so don't forget this. I have something for you on your textbook, page 43 and 44. You open your textbook, you see the activity there. Do activity 1 and activity 2 on page 43 and 44 for me. Okay, I'll wait to see this assignment so that I will give you back your grades, and I hope to see you soon. Till then, I'll say au revoir à tous.